Welcome to 35 Pumping Station Road in Ridgefield, Connecticut. This 4-bedroom home has been completely renovated with an eye for detail and a great designer vibe. The family room connects to the office through French doors, while the open-concept sunken living room transitions beautifully to the formal dining room. This custom, top-of-the-line eating kitchen was designed specifically for the homeowner, who just happens to be a chef. Tucked away in the mudroom, the laundry is easily accessed through the back staircase to the upper level. The master suite features 2 incredible his and her marble baths, each with gorgeous tile work and high-end fixtures. In fact, all the bathrooms in the home have been beautifully updated. The walkout lower level includes a fabulous media and games area, as well as a unique glass-wall gym, pool changing room, and half bath. Outside, the fabulous pool joins sweeping lawns to create a perfect private sanctuary spanning over 3 acres. Only an hour from Manhattan and a few minutes from the village of Ridgefield, known for its great schools, cultural offerings, and vibrant downtown. For more information about 35 Pumping Station Road, visit our website at carlamurtaugh.com.